Welcome to Foxtecc. If you're looking to post pictures on Pinterest from your Android device, it's a simple process and I'll walk you through it. First, open the Pinterest app and tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. From the options that appear, select Pin to upload a new image. Then choose a picture from your gallery and tap Next to move forward. Now you can add details to your post, give your pin a title, write a description, and if needed, include a destination link to direct users to a website. After that, select the board where you want to save the pin or create a new board if you don't have one yet. Finally, tap Save and your picture will be uploaded to Pinterest. A couple of quick tips. Vertical images perform better because they take up more space in the Pinterest feed. Also, use high-quality images to increase engagement and choose the right board to keep your content organized and easy to find. And that's it. Now you know how to post pictures on Pinterest from Android. If this video helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more Android and tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.